Yes. I want to fly it at least one more time.
You haven't even flown your F5
No, I haven't. I probably won't.
God, the sun's so bad. Huh?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, we'll wait.
No, go.
We'll wait. You going far down?
I'm gonna come back to you. I didn't realize throttle was still on.
Dinky pinky.
I was blowing moths off the runway.
Tire clear.
Why is it that my right wing light is brighter?
It's right on that top of the hill at the right, on the far left.
You see that? One of the lights is brighter.
Because it's pointing at you. Did you move him? Oh, the wind is perfect right now.
I didn't move anything. Alright. Ready?
Not yet, because they're still walking. Well, let's be safe. Okay, let's go. Go.
Alright.
Woohoo! I got it too.
Gear down, gear up, flaps up.
I don't think I like it though.
Yeah.
It's kind of gimmicky. But at least I know how to do it if people want it.
Alright, let's see how it looks. Let me go by. I'm gonna pull up in the center just to see it.
I will too.
Oh, that looks. Oh wait, now it's off. The hell?
Is it? Mine is too.
Oh, but it came back on.
Weird. I think we pushed it too hard.
Saw your shadow back on. Yeah, it turns off, and as soon as you go out like different off and full, it comes back on.
Right. Okay, so there's something we got to change on that. Mine's working.
I mean, I don't care if I don't have it. It's not a big deal.
But at least we know how to do it now.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I got to take my glasses off.
Yeah, see, it cuts off. Then
Yeah, you got to pull back a little bit. So there's a little adjustment you got to make. The MiG was perfect.
yeah.
I'm going to do touch and goes.
Alright, I'll just escort you because this thing, it sticks to the ground so hard it doesn't.
It won't come back up.
Alright, I'll just kind of. I'm gonna go up. Actually, I want to try the flaps.
Go ahead.
Tried the flaps.
Flaps don't really affect. If you had my settings, you'll be good.
Alright, here comes half flaps. That's full. Oh yeah, doesn't change a thing. It actually goes down a little bit.
A little bit, but not much.
Yeah, we can either try to fix the flicker on mine or we can just wheel it back. I don't really care which.
It's up to you. You know how to do it. Just take the top end down to like 120. Because it's when you take it to 150 that it does that.
I'll just take it back to that. Yeah, well.
Shouldn't have worn my sunglasses. I don't need them now. Sun's too low. Yeah, I'll take flicker out. But that was cool to see it at least. The MiG, it looks the best.
This is working.
I had to force it.
I think they found it. Yeah, they found it.
Touch and go.
Gear down.
Pulling up.
Time remaining 1 minute.
See, it just stalled very quick.
Just kind of drops the wing, drops the nose, doesn't it?
Gear up.
I think I'm gonna come in soon. When are you thinking about coming down?
Time remaining 39.
In about 39 seconds.
Alright.
30 seconds.
There we go. Do one more fast pass.
Oh, just put it there. Oh, and shut off.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
We're gonna land!
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I'm putting my gear down on this pass.
Gear down.
Go ahead and cross, guys, so we got to come in.
Landing flaps.
You landing out
Yeah,
there?
I'm coming. I know. I see you. I'm diving to the deck right now.
Coming in behind you. You landed long.
A little bit longer than I wanted, but it's
that
all
was
right.
perfect approach.
I had to do a dive, that's why. I didn't want to stay up any longer.
Remember the dinky wheels. The sun's nice.
It is. It's really pretty, but it's too dark. It's too dark for sunglasses right now.
No, I think I'm gonna still wear mine. Still a little bit bright. Yeah, this thing's all over the place on the ground.
All right, so I want to fly the MiG again.
I want to at least find my
I
F1.
feel bad. I didn't get to fly the F5. I've flown it a lot though, so it'll survive.
Flaps up.
I got to do one more flight with this.